Hello viewer. Today I'll talk about YouTube video tag. YouTube video tag, which is very important for YouTube video, which can help your video for ranking. Also, user can find your video easy way due to tag. So I'll talk about what is YouTube video tag, why YouTube video tag is important, and how to get proper video tag. Main focus on how to get proper video tag. I believe those who are doing YouTube as a working as a YouTuber, everybody is familiar with the video tag. So there's nothing new for those, but there is a technique you could find proper video tag for your YouTube video. So let's go to the first question. What is YouTube video tag? YouTube tags are also known as YouTube video tag. This is basically keywords that can select for your own video, and if they are properly associated with your video, it will help others find your content when people search for video with keywords. Tags are used by YouTube's algorithm, so it considers what content to serve. So it's a very simple thing. According to your video, user can search your video quickly. Why it is important? Based on your video tag or keyword, user can find your video easily, so that your video can get viral, your video can get ranked, so that you can get more view, so that you can get more subscriber. This is all about purpose of video tag. Now question is, how we will figure it out? What is proper video tag for your video? So for that question, you can search on Google for your video tag. Let's think about it, your video title. Let's think about your video title is Times Square, New York City. Let's say this is your video title, Times Square, New York City. So now you need to find out what is tag for those title. So let's go open a browser and go to Google. Search with your title, whatever title for your video, copy that title. This is your title. Copy that title and go to Google, search with this. Number one thing. So after searching, go all the way down to the page. You see there is alternative suggestion which can be used for your video tag. Copy those things. Copy. Open a notepad. This is your video tag you can use. Put comma for every single line. Then line could be a one tag. This is one way. YouTube, it takes up to 500 character, so you have to make your tag up to 500. More than 500, YouTube will not allow that. This is number one thing. Now go to just copy your title again. Copy, and let's go to YouTube now. And search with the same title, Times Square, New York City. Click search. You will see there are multiple videos, but whatever appears in the first, second, third, pick any of those from here. Let's say first, second, third, anyone. I'll show you one, then you could figure it out. Any video, you could figure it out, any video tags. So click over here. This is your video link. Copy that link. Then you have to go nimtools.com. Don't worry about the web URL address. I'll put it everything on the description box. You will get it from there. So scroll down, then you see that you will find get YouTube video tags. Click in this link, then get YouTube video tags. Type your URL here and click get YouTube video tags. You see, this is all the video tag for this video. Just any format you could do that. You can select from here. Let's say select from here, copy, then you can paste it in Notepad, whatever you got previously. This is all about your video tag. Now you are taking copy those. The above things are from the Google search. The bottom one you are getting from the another video. So comma for each tag. Definitely, if you paste whole thing to your YouTube video, it will exceed at your limit, more than 500 character. So what you will do, so last one you don't need to comma over here. So what you will do, you will analyze all of those keywords. Then you will make yourself what you want to do. Let's say you are getting from Google search up to this, then you figure it out with another video. Do not copy whole thing as it is. Just you have to get some idea from another video, what tag they are using, which one is the ranking one video, what tag they are using. You could make it similar like that way, not copy whole thing as it is, whatever another video you can put it hold the thing for your video. It will not fair enough. So then let's say 29 Times Square 29, we are not taking that one. New York neighborhood, we are not taking that one. Something in that way you could delete something, or you can add more thing with that, and you can make yourself by for final keyword or tag destination. Let's say this is your tag. Now when you will upload your video, you will put in the tag description section, all your tag is over here. If you use this tag properly on your video can be ranked, your video can be viral, and you can get more view, you can get more subscriber. I believe this, whatever way I showed you, it is a sample way, it is my idea. I can do that way, analyze those keyword, analyze my title, then I could figure it out those tag for my video. I use this technique. Maybe it will be useful for you. You can use it. If you think it is not, then don't worry, you have the freedom, you can figure it out other way too. So if you think this is useful, like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you want to know anything more about this tag, please comment there. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.